Well, hey, Tim Thomas here. In this video, I'm going to be moving pretty quickly. What I want to talk to you about wealth step by step and how you easily can earn $3,000 to $5,000 or more from the comfort of your home with our simple system. I'm going to roll the intro and then I'll get back with you on the other side. Hey, Tim Thomas here. Before we get started with the video, make sure you like this video. Hit that like button. I really would appreciate it. Helps rank the video higher, pushes out the algorithm. I really appreciate that. And consider subscribing to the channel. Channel's about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. Wealth step by step is moving quickly. And I tell you what, it's going to be a great legacy program for many years to come. It's going to be one of the great programs that we're going to implement for 2025, and we're excited about it. The matrix, when you understand we have a 3x7 force matrix, and the way that thing works, folks, you're getting help from above and below. It's true synergy. Everybody on the team is working together in unison. Of course, we can't promise spillover, and we're going to talk about some income amounts that you can make. As a disclaimer, folks, in life, nothing happens till you take action. But when you follow the process, folks, dreams can turn into reality. Can you make $10,000 a month with wealth step by step? Absolutely, yes. We have got a turnkey system. If you're watching this video and if you're in wealth step by step we have let me double down on it. We have a turnkey 1% duplicatable marketing system that you can plug into today and start marketing. We have a proven postcard and a flyer. This is 1% duplicatable. Can you imagine that you order 500 or 1,000 postcards and then you have 2 or 3 people join you and they start mailing their postcards, and everything that they do, you benefit from it. Meaning, let's say you get 4, 5, 6 people marketing the business, marketing with postcards, and each of those 3 or 4 people on your team order 1,000 postcards. Well, my friends, when you understand how this force matrix works, you get everybody on the team using postcards or flyers and going to this new marketing system that Greg has created. Folks, you will have massive duplication in your team. Can you imagine that all those people, let's say 4, 5, 6 people, mail 1,000 postcards each? It would be as if you mailed them yourself. Folks, this is powerful. And when you recruit somebody, you know, of course, they pay the $28 to join. And you're going to get the fast start bonus of $25. Folks, that's powerful. When you personally recruit somebody, out of that $28, $30, you're going to get a $25 fast start bonus. Game changer. And then the rest of it is going to be shared with your other team members. And this is going to be income that comes in month after month after month. Residual income is where it's at. Greg has created this powerful marketing system. If you can mail a postcard, you can easily earn up to $3,000 to $5,000 or more plus per month. And that's what we want to do. We want to get everybody on the team duplicating this. We want to double down on it. We want to make it abundantly and crystal clear. This is the team website, yourplantowealth.com. When you join as a team member, you will have access to this website. We got a video that is being developed as we speak, can be released probably by the end of this week if you're watching this video. And you can order your postcards right here. This is simple. And I'm telling you what, friends, when you join Wealth Step by Step and you start marketing with this system, this postcard, this flyer, people will join your team, can and will join your team around the clock. Of course, as an income disclaimer, folks, nothing in life happens until you take action and you follow the steps. But the sky is the limit with Wealth Step by Step and this marketing system that has been created by our team leader. Make sure whatever you do, you put your email address in here, hit submit. You're going to get regular news updates. Usually Greg sends those things out, and they look like this. This is what they look like. This is the news update from Greg. He keeps us updated as to what's going on with the company, this, that, and the other. So make sure that you put your email address in there. And here's the one of the emails. And for the sake of time of the video, I'm not going to go through every thing Greg said, but he says like, good morning, future Whelp step-by-step members. This email is really for new members that have joined the last few days to get them up to date on the latest news. So basically to keep you updated, tells you about the need to create financial freedom through residual income. We are seeing, record job losses. Property taxes are going up. Cost of living is just going through the roof. You need to create a extra stream of income and or incomes immediately. And Whelp Step by Step is the ticket, guys. Wake up, folks. Here is a Whelp Step by presentation that I did. Anybody got access to, they can do this. But just share this with other people. And again, how we're going to share it, we're going to mail our postcards. And that's what we're plugging people in. I'm doubling down, tripling down on mailing the postcard and or the flyer and getting your team members to do the same thing. This thing can and will bring people in 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for you. Around the clock, you can wake up to signups because the video that's being created as we speak will do all the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. When you come over here, Greg talks about how we can get paid. We get paid out through Cash App, Zelle, Wise, Bitcoin for international folks. And we have a team postcard. We have the flyer. This is what our flyer, let me show you what our flyer looks like. See if I can find it. I'll click on, I got too many tabs open here. Let me go back to well, here's our postcard. Let's show our postcard first, and then I'll show you the flyer. This is the 6x9 postcard, and we want everybody to plug in to get this postcard and start duplicating. Plug all your members in. Tell them that just mail the postcard. Again, it says only $28 to get started. How would you like to easily earn $3,000 to $5,000 plus per month from home? Follow the 2 steps before. Watch the 5-minute presentation. And when you go through the website, you can sign up as a member. Your website's going to go there. Whatever website you want Greg to put there, he'll put it on your postcard. And it says you must start building your own stream of monthly income from home. Stop relying on these corporate companies and our government to financially take care of you and your family. And then you put your mailing label here. Here's your chance to build a 4 to 5 figure plus per month at-home income. Mailing postcards is a worldwide business opportunity. So guys, this is a 6x9 postcard. This is going to work. And again, you're going to get your team members plugged into it, into the matrix, so they can start mailing their postcards and start winning. The postcards will be available to order here very shortly. I'll give you an update when it goes to that. Here's the flyer, folks. Here's the flyer that you can mail. If you like flyers, you can edit this information. Put your website there. Your information goes here, and you can order the flyers right here. We've got a recorded message, folks. Whelp Step by Step is where you want to be. And again, once you join, you want to order your postcards. You want to order your flyers, or just order your postcards. I'm going to mail mostly postcards, but the flyer is available. So either or. But we are stressing the postcards because the postcards, again, is going to lead them back to this website here. If you can mail a postcard, you can easily earn up to $3,000 to $5,000 or more from the comfort of home. Folks, this video that's coming soon, it is going to be powerful. It's going to be a magnet to get you extra income to your home. And again, this link here is not clickable yet. However, in a few days, it's going to be clickable. Your new prospect that you even never talked to will be able to click onto this website, into this link, and order their postcards. And again, they're going to order the same postcard here because it sent them to the website, yourplantowhelp.com. That's the team website. When they get your information in the mail, they're going to go to the website, and then they're going to be able to sign up. And then again, your Whelp step-by-step website's going to go here. You can get a domain name, and here's what your website looks like. They'll come here and they'll sign up. Folks, it is turnkey simple. And again, this thing's going to sign up people that we've never talked to, because the postcard, the video, the website is going to do all the work for you. Do you see what I'm saying? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? This is incredible to me. I'm excited because, again, you don't have to do no selling, no explaining. All you do is join as a team member. You put that information there. I will put this information below the video, yourplantowup.com. Get on Greg's email list. He'll send you updates as needed. He emails the team about twice a week. It is a turnkey simple business. And let me show you the matrix, guys, what the matrix looks like. earnwithoutsponsoring.com. Here we go. This company has got an incredible 3x7 forced matrix. Earn up to $118,000 per year, even if you make no sales. Folks, if you get in and join, this program can work for the great recruiters. It will work for people that don't even recruit people, because somewhere in that matrix, if you stay in long enough, it's going to expand around you. Because here's how this thing works. Let me show you. 3 people will go on your first level, and your second level, all you can have is 9 people. On your third level, it's going to be 27. On the next level, 81. The next one, 243. The next one, 729. And then on the 7th level, you're going to have 2,087 people. Folks, that can equal out to over 6 figures a year. What if everyone takes 1 month and gets 3 sales, the table would fill up in 7 months. If everybody get excited, got their postcards out there, got them in the mail, got the duplication going, folks, this is what's going to happen. When the video is going to explain this, how powerful this is going to be. Folks, we have got a juggernaut of a program. Let me say that again. We have got a juggernaut of a program on our hands with wealth step by step. We've got a turnkey, duplicatable, 100% marketing system that everybody can plug into. When you join, get your postcards immediately. And all that get your postcard, they're going to come over here and they're going to read your postcard, and they're going to see, all I got to do is order this postcard. That's all I got to do, because I'm going to go to Your Plan. They're going to go step 1 to yourplantofwealth.com, and it's going to tell them what to do. It's going to tell them right here, click here to order your postcards once you become a member. It is going to be a partner that's working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You're going to be signing up people that you never talked to, that you never explained, that you never twisted their arm. The system, the presentation, all of it worked in unison to sign people up for you. Folks, it does not get any simpler than this. Y'all have to overlook me if I got a little passionate. I love simple systems. I love systems of 100% duplication. Anybody can do it. Anybody can plug in the postcard. All you do is join and get on Greg's email list, order your postcards, you're off to the races. Well, and folks, let me show you one more thing. When you join, if you're joining with me or the person referred you, I've got some great mailing lists here already vetted. We're using Wilson's list on pill and stick labels. We're using Prime Choice list. We have buyer names here. Our Prime Choice mailing list can draw cash orders to you like a magnet. That is Prime Choice list. If you are tired of wasting money on old, worn out, unresponsive lists, there's a better way. Try these proven Prime Choice lists, in-house buyer names. And we've got another one at the bottom here, another great list. Northco. We are recommending Northco. Very good list. Folks, that's my time for today. Come on over. Get on over. The link to join Whelp Step by Step. You'll see Timothy Thomas as your sponsor or whomever referred you, and we'll get you going today. That's my time for now. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next Whelp Step by Step video. 2025 is going to be incredible. Yeah, we've got a turnkey 100%